Hi guys, we are playing Cool Math Games and we're playing Motor Carry 3M, I think what's that's called. We were up to level 3, but I don't think you have seen me playing this game before. I was like doing it without recording and I was up to level 3. Yeah. Oh my god, why did I do that? This game is so crazy. I gotta tell you, it's really funny and crazy. And this is gonna become the hard part. I failed in this so many times, see? Oh, my character's lying without anything. Oh my god, why did I do that? I'm so crazy. What the heck is that? I don't really get this level at all. How do I avoid that? This is so hard. I'm gonna go back to the menu and do level 1 again, just to show you what level 1 is. But if you already played this game, there's no need for showing. Don't judge me. And why did I just do that? I'm crazy. Oh my god, why did I do a flip? Seriously. I want to do a flip. Oh yeah, I beat that. What the? I'm sliding down with my motorbike. I met my wheel on the ground and then my other wheel falls facing the sky. So weird. Oh, spikes. Jump over the spikes. Yes, I did a flip. Oh. Oh, no. Why did I do that? I just banged into the wall. Oh. I just banged into the whole thing. Now, land safely. Whoa, a gigantic wheel. What? Whoa. I just landed and exploded. That was weird. And crazy too. I don't think I need to do a flip in this one. Yes, I completed level 1. Now let's do level 2. Whoa, that is... I just did a flip. What? I'm lying down and I just I was lying down and I slided, totally just slided. Oh, I did a flip. And landed safely. Oh my god, that must be a really high jump. Whoa. Oh, I'm going upside down. Why did I do that? Why did I just do that? That was crazy. Jump. Oh, I just went to the walls. What the? Why did I just do that? I failed when I was doing this without recording. I failed so many times on this cart thing or whatever it is. The imaging. And this is the end. Yes, I completed level 2. Now it's up to the ranging and hard level 3. What the? Why did I just do that? Oh, my butt's on spikes. Ow, that must really pain. And my head is squashed. That must really, really hurts. Whoa. Now here comes the rolling wheels or whatever they're called. What the? Why did I just do that? I was doing a backflip. I did a backflip when I'm dead. I'm gonna go play another game. I might do Duck Life, but I'm not sure if I want to do Duck Life. I might do Red Ball again, but I don't think it's really fun to play Red Ball. I might as well just do Duck Life Treasure Hunt because it's a fun game. What? It's white. I think it's a little bit loading. I might have to end the video now here because I think it's a little bit too long. Leave some comments if you think it's too long or if you think it's too short, okay? I think I'll have to say goodbye for now. So, I'll see you guys next time. Please do subscribe and leave comments. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye! Bye! That's silly. So, bye guys!